Angels and the Spirit Guide. Your journey toward real enlightenment begins here. Book 2. Forward. Read these chapters and your brain will become mighty. This book is highly informative with an abundance of information. By the time you've finished reading, you'll be on your way toward enlightenment, a higher conscious understanding. Although there are many paths to enlightenment, the one you choose is the one you can draw an understanding. For what is enlightenment other than a conscious understanding? And with a question such as that, we open the door to the vastness of the universe of knowledge. Your journey toward enlightenment is one that captivates the mind and spirit, leaving no stone unturned in the quest for ultimate wisdom. As beautifully captured in these verses, the path to enlightenment is unique to each individual. It's like an intricate labyrinth, with diverse routes, all leading to the same revelation, a conscious understanding of love and creation. What is it to have this conscious understanding, and how do we traverse the universe of knowledge that starts at our doorstep, waiting for discovery? Choosing your path, the personal odyssey. The first verse suggests a profound truth. There are many paths to enlightenment, and the one you choose should resonate with you at a fundamental level. This underlines the idea that enlightenment is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a highly personalized journey. It's not just about reaching the destination, but also about appreciating the route you take to get there. Your path might be laden with religious teachings, philosophy, mindfulness practices, or scientific inquiry, among other possibilities. The key is to choose a route that fosters a deep, intuitive understanding for you as an individual. Conscious understanding, the true nature of enlightenment. This verse touches upon an intriguing point. Enlightenment is, at its core, a conscious understanding. It is not merely an abstract, esoteric concept, but a palpable state of awareness. Conscious understanding implies an awakening to the interdependent nature of all things and a deep-rooted sense of inner peace. It's not just about acquiring knowledge, but about the wisdom to apply that knowledge meaningfully. Understanding transcends rote learning or surface-level awareness, plunging into a profound recognition of life's complexities and mysteries. The vastness of universal knowledge. As indicated in the final line, posing the question of what enlightenment truly is, opens up a universe of knowledge. It's like standing at the edge of an intellectual abyss, gazing into an endless expanse of wisdom and understanding. This vastness can be overwhelming, but it's also invigorating. Each piece of knowledge is a stepping stone on your path to enlightenment, and with every step, the journey becomes fuller and more meaningful. The path to enlightenment is a deeply personal and transformative experience that calls for a conscious understanding. As the verses elegantly put it, your chosen route must resonate with you and offer you a profound understanding. And in asking what enlightenment truly is, you invite the universe to unveil its boundless knowledge, giving you the tools to navigate your unique journey. Therefore, as you set foot on this path, remember that enlightenment is not just a destination, but an ongoing process, one that evolves with each step you take in the labyrinth of life. So, arise each morning to make the most of the myriad opportunities you encounter, each unfolding into the rich tapestry of experience you will possess for the rest of your life. Before I leave, I invite you to return frequently and dive into the depths of my knowledge. I also have several books available on Amazon that you may enjoy reading. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below, and I will respond to them promptly.